Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're talking about how to recognize when your carrots are ready for harvest based on the variety you're growing. Plus, we'll share some delicious ways to use fresh carrots in the kitchen, from salads to roasting. Carrots are ready to harvest when their shoulders are visible at the soil surface and measure about 1/2 to 3/4 inch in diameter. For traditional varieties like Nantes or Imperator, expect a harvest in about 70 to 80 days. Shorter varieties like Thumbelina or Paris Market are typically ready in 55 to 65 days. They may be smaller, but their flavor is just as sweet. To avoid damaging the carrots, loosen the soil around them with a garden fork before gently pulling them up. You can harvest a few to test their size and flavor before deciding to pull the entire crop. Now that your carrots are ready, let's talk about how to use them in the kitchen. Fresh, raw carrots are perfect for adding crunch to salads, especially when thinly sliced or grated. Roasting carrots brings out their natural sweetness, especially for traditional varieties. Shorter varieties like Thumbelina are great for roasting whole, offering a more concentrated flavor in a smaller bite. Traditional carrots tend to be sweet with a classic earthy flavor, while shorter varieties like Thumbelina and Paris Market offer a slightly more intense, sweet flavor. Both are versatile and can be used in dishes from raw salads to hearty roasted sides. Knowing when to harvest your carrots and how to use them in the kitchen makes growing them even more rewarding. Stay tuned for more tips on growing and enjoying fresh produce. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy harvesting and cooking. Happy